Dodge in Texas. Can you guys see and hear me? Just clarifying, you guys can see and hear me. We're going to start XR here, guys. Okay, awesome. Alright, as long as you guys can see and hear me, we're good to go. Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Alright, guys. Left, middle, or right? Left, middle, or right? Middle. Middle. Okay. Alright, guys. Good luck here in XR football. First break of the night. Bowman Chrome ending now. Bowman Chrome baseball ending now. Okay. 20 of 25. Notorious Derek Carr. There it is. 20 of 25 for the Raiders. Derek Carr, Notorious. Out of 299 for the Ravens, Marlon Humphrey. Duke Riley out of 199 for the Atlanta Falcons. Clay, Derek Carr, and Malik Hooker. And rookie triple swatch, 26 of 75, triple patch auto of Chris Godwin for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Jake Butt out of 299. Denver. Out of 299, Todd Gurley for the Rams. We got Gerald McCoy, Joey Bosa, and Rodney Adams. 2 of 25, Mike Williams, blue luminous endorsements autograph for the Chargers. LA Chargers, Mike Williams, 2 of 25. And Watson Clowney and Hopkins, 2-color, 1-color, and 3-color. 21 of 25 for the Houston Texans orange. Triple patch team trios. Antonio Brown, 26 of 75 for the Pittsburgh Steelers, orange. Out of 299, Carlos Hyde, Niners. Base, Rashard Matthews and Cooper. And Brian Hill. Out of 49, D'Angelo Yancey. 34 of 49 autograph for the Green Bay Packers. And another team trio, 6 of 99, Corey Davis, Mariota, and Derrick Henry, Tennessee Titans. Yeah, I know. 93 of 99 Extreme Rookie of Joe Mixon. 1 of 1 printing plate, Ryan Switzer for the Dallas Cowboys. 1 of 1. Switch! So we got the 1 of 1 magenta plate of Ryan Switzer. Out of 299, Jerry Ajayi for the Dolphins. Devonta Booker, Dak Prescott, and Duke Riley. And Dante Foreman, 2-color patch auto, 35 of 49. There is red on that, red and white. For the Houston Texans. Corey Davis, blue, 34 of 49 for the Tennessee Titans, Extreme Rookie. Out of 299, Amari Cooper, Oakland. Out of 199, Quincy Wilson, Colts. Rob Gronk, Dez Bryant, and Zachary Cunningham. And for the Giants, Wayne Gallman, rookie triple swatch, 180 of 199, New York Giants. And 2 hits here. Okay. Tarek Cohen for the Bears out of 299, rookie. Out of 199, Charles Harris for the Dolphins. Matt Ryan, Doug Baldwin, and DeMarcus Walker. Patriots. Malcolm Mitchell, patch auto, 13 of only 20 for the New England Patriots. 13 of 20, Patriots. There it goes. And behind that, jumbo patch, 13 of 75, Mariota for the Tennessee Titans. Maximal Materials. Chris Conley, 58 of 75 for the Chiefs, orange. Out of 299, Luke Kuechly, red for the Carolina Panthers, base. Marquise Lee, Luke Kuechly, base. And Gerard Davis. And for the Indianapolis Colts, autograph of Malik Hooker, 8 of 99. 8 of 99, rookie auto. And for the Bills, 39 of 99, Zay Jones, Sammy Watkins, Tyrod Taylor. We got a glove patch and then 2 single colors. Bills. Notorious Drew Brees out of 99 for the Saints. Out of 299, Carson Palmer for the Arizona Cardinals. And out of 199, Mr. Jordan Reed. Antonio Brown, Jordan Howard, and Marcus Williams. And our Darius Stewart, 13 of 15, patch auto blue for the New York Jets. 13 of 15. Super, super low numbers. Mike Williams, 4 of 5 for the Chargers. Extreme rookie, 4 of 5, green, Mike Williams. Out of 299, Zach Zenner, Detroit. And out of 199, Marshawn Lattimore. Cam Chancellor, Jordan Reed, and Garyon Conley. And Mitchell Trubisky, patch auto for the Bears, 16 of 25. 16 of 25, Mitchell Trubisky. Uh, 12 of 75, Devontae Freeman, Falcons. Bears out of 299, Adam Shaheen, Aaron Rodgers, Jason Witten, and TJ Watt. Auto is Tre'Davious White for the Bills out of 199. Rookie autograph. And Marlon Mack, triple patch. So that's 80 of 99. Triple patch. And that wraps up the first 5. I will one touch the True Biscuits. True Biscuits. There it is. True Biscuits. Done and done. Next up, like I said, guys, is going to be Bowman Chrome Baseball.